Alright guys, here's a 2002 to 2003 Lasko 3733 I got a while back. I can't remember where the hell I got this thing for some reason. Probably from a flea market or a thrift store or something, I don't know. It's in really nice shape, mint condition actually, there's nothing wrong with it at all. The bottom has absolutely no rust in it at all. The knob and handle ain't yellowed out or cracked, which is kind of amazing for one of these fans. Here's the back. Now even the back of the handle and knob are yellowed out. Must have never been used in a window. I do remember that this fan was really dirty when I got it, but it turned out good. It's got the small motor. I had to twist tie all the wires back. This one was before the fuse plug, as you can see. Which is kind of cool. Runs like you'd expect one of these two. So, there's low. It's a pretty quiet fan. This one actually has a slower low than most of these two. Here's medium. It's a pretty powerful fan. And high. That's why I put it close to the cabinet. Couldn't find any feet to put on it. Like I said, very powerful. Shut it off. I don't exactly know what I'm going to do with this one yet. I'll probably keep it around because these fans are usually beat to hell by the time I find them, and this one doesn't really have anything wrong with it at all. Amazingly, the frame's not even bent, which is also very unusual for one of these fans. It's kind of cool to see one like this. But thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.